Hello friends, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about React Native section list. So section list is an inbuilt component of React Native that renders sectioned list. As the name suggests, it is used to display list of data in different sections. And it is a pure component which is supporting most of the features. Section lists are primarily used for displaying lists in sections. In that case, we can use section list. In the case that section support is not required, we can use flat list or scroll view component. Where we can use section list. Suppose you have a requirement where you have multiple sections in screen, like in each section you have multiple items. So here we can use a section list. Like in this screen you can see we have dishes and dessert. We have two sections and in each section we have multiple items. So in dishes we have pizza, burger and risotto, and in dessert we have cheesecake, ice cream and brownies. If I will have large list of data, we cannot use scroll view here. So here is an easy way to show this kind of list, which is section list. So now I'm going to do is import this core component section list from React Native. Then I'm going to just use section list in return and then go ahead and use section prop. If you are familiar with flat list in React Native, basically all the props are same. If you don't know about flat list, you can check my last video on flat list. I will add link on I button. So first we have to add data into it. So for that we have section prop in it, and that's going to be an array that are going to represent each section and each title, and each item in this array is going to be an object with data prop. Let's duplicate these values and then use data array in section. Now I'm going to add keyExtractor because we will get warning for differentiate between items. So for this we will use key, and for that key in section list we have a keyExtractor prop, and this will take a function with two arguments, item and index, and then it will return item plus index. Let's save it, and it is giving error because we are not using required prop of section list, which is renderItem. So next prop we will add is renderItem. RenderItem going to render each one of the items from our data. RenderItem going to take a function that returns a component. It will take item as an argument and return a component. So for this I am creating a function and use this function in return, and this function will return JSX. I will add text here in it. So I am going to add text component here for item of section, and this item is coming from the renderItem. So if I save this, it is showing all the data which we add in data list, but we had to add title also in it. So for this we will use render section header, and it will also take a function which will return JSX. So I'm going to add text here for the title of the section, and section is coming from the render section header. We have to destructure it. Let's save it. And you can see it will look exactly same as we wanted. If you have sections of data like this that you want to render in a single list, so you can use section list for this. So that's all there is to section list. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.